Hi everybody, welcome to another stream. In today's stream, we're going to be modeling a low poly map, all in Blender. This will be a concept art of possibly the new map for Isel's Cafe in 2023. The props I made are a bit trash, so I'm not going to use those. I'm going to be making new ones along with the new color palette that I'm going to be trying to figure out. And I'm also doing this because I'm trying to learn how to make plants better, because that's the one thing I still need to learn other than character modeling. So we're going to spend most of our times making plants, flowers, and stuff, along with the nice map and water and stuff. Alright, so before we begin, I also want to quickly talk about current stuff. Currently I made a Discord group where I post all my old group, the videos I have posted about like the admin panels, the ultimate admin panel, the countdown things and stuff. That Discord server, the link that doesn't work, I sent a new link in the description below. You can head there and you can still get all the stuff for free this time. You don't have to buy them anymore. Everything's free from now on, even the new stuff. And the ultimate panel, a lot of people really want the exploit mayhem. So I'm already working on the new admin panel, and I'm just so happen to call it exploit mayhem, but it's not actually exploit mayhem. It's a complete new panel, much better, triple the amount of features, and it's gonna be amazing. It already looks amazing. There is sneak peeks already in the Discord. You can go check that out. And check out Isel's Cafe. We're releasing a Christmas/overhaul update on December 3rd. It is a very big update, so I'm glad to publish that. Anything else? I don't think so. Let's start. So let's start with my color palette. I want to know what colors I'm using and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and go to our image editor. Paint, new, let's go, map, color palette. Let's make this a ×2. Let's make this white, alpha off. Alright. Now this is my thing. I wonder, can you possibly make a select, box select? Can you do that? I don't think so. I should check. What is this? Fall off. Nope. No. Tiling. No. I don't know what that is. Image. Ooh, I didn't know you can do that. I don't think you can. I was really hoping you could, though. So I think I'm just gonna put blobs here. Or I should just do it in an editor. Maybe I should. Yeah, let's just do it. Alright. First, my ground. What do I want my ground to be? Okay, let's make sections. I'm gonna take a black. Very thin. Not that thin, obviously. Bit more. There we go. I'm gonna make sections dedicated for each type of thing I'm making. That's not straightforward, whatever, let's deal with it. Okay, first, let's go to the bottom. This is where all the ground is gonna be. So I'm gonna go white, find my ground color, bit down. Yeah, let's go with this. Okay, I want to change my fall off to be constant. Yeah, just like that. Can you change the crosshair to to be like a cube. I want a cube. Is that possible? I don't think so. So I'm gonna forget I wanted that. Yeah. Alright, let's just do this. I'm gonna take one big one of that color, this color, this color. I'll rearrange them in a minute just to get the colors correct. I'm gonna give myself a few variants. A little bit more on the yellow ones too. Alright, that's gonna be my ground. I will only be using this for ground. And then wood can be another section, because this kind of looks like the wood I want, but there's gonna be birch, there's gonna be oak, there's gonna be spruce. So let's just keep it all organized. Let's go with our ground. I want a nice grass. So let's go. Does that look good? That doesn't. I need. What do I need? I need darkness. Yes, kind of that. Bit more. Bit more. A bit more saturated, maybe? Nah. Too much saturation. Also, if you're probably wondering why I'm speaking so loud all of a sudden, I've come to notice that I sometimes speak a little bit silently. What did I just... Oh, I select the other one. Let's go here. Is that different? Yeah, that's different. Alright, let's go to a new color. Let's go Sakura tree color. Kind of what I want. Let's go lighter, darker. Okay, that doesn't work. What else can we do? Grass. Like the very thin ones. No. I guess I can put that there for now. I can maybe use this. Okay. I need to label these somehow. There's no text. I think I'm gonna... Yeah, I think I'm gonna open a editor and do it there instead so I can actually organize it and everything. Give me a second to open and then also switch the window. Also, everything I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be explaining how I do it. I've realized some people actually try and learn from my streams. Okay, let me make a new one. Alright, let me lower the priority. And then go this one. There we go. Now you can see my screen. Let me quickly check. You can see Photoshop, right? Yeah, okay, let's go. So, I'm gonna make sections. So this is gonna be its own section. This is gonna be its section. This, and then a few more. Just to organize it a bit. And then I can also go down here. Size this down. Get this on the bottom and then say map. Wait, what's this? Freedoka 1. Let's make this white. Let's call this map. color palette. Lower the size. Alright, go to the bottom so I can add a background. Alright, now I'm gonna add a quick border over here, or a stroke as most people will call them. Actually, I could just do this. And then go this, lighter, and then draw in here. But that's better. And I can just invert this. Why isn't that working? Let's make color different. I don't like that. Alright. Now let's do this again. Let's go to my brush. Oh wait, you also can't. Oh yeah, you can do cubes. You must just find it somewhere. Maybe. Unless I find a paintbrush. Okay, no, let's just go like this. Make this 25. What? Alright. Let's add our color palettes. So first, I want this. A bit more on the orange. Same thing, a bit more bright. And then the same thing again, darker. Same thing. In between. Bit on the yellow side again. Alright, now I have my color palette for the ground. Let's go trees and grass, which I want this. a bit of sakura or sakura, I don't know how you pronounce it. Alright, so we have my grass, we have my leaves, we have my ground. What else do I need? I need rocks, I need wood, I need... Oh yeah, the trunk is gonna need textures. For now we'll do base colors. I need watercolor, because I'm gonna make it like islands on water. Anything else? Flowers? I think flowers will be their own color palette. Yeah, let's go wood now. And then rocks and stuff. And maybe buildings too. Okay, birch will need this color. Okay, that's too dark. Better, but can be a bit more desaturated, sorry. There we go. Let's go another type of brown wood. Bit more saturated. Wait, this is brightness. Brighter then. Or desaturated as well. Yeah, that's better. I think the same thing, just lighter. Anything else? Maybe a little black for the birch. Okay, I think that's all. Let's go rocks. Let's go nice gray. Bit more brighter. And a bit more darker. Alright, then the water will be a nice blue. Same thing here, let's go brighter. And then maybe this. Let me try and think of some other little details I can add. Flowers, just also add flowers, I guess. So this can be red. This can be yellow. Let's add the rainbow. Why not? And just work with the rainbow. Maybe the colors are too saturated. I'll have to fix that. And also, it's not bright enough. I see. Oh, okay, that's too saturated. Much better. I just need to bring the brightness all the way up. Like that. Let's make a purple. Or a pinkish purple. And then I want a white. Probably already have too much of that though. And then what are maybe a... Is there any other type of plant I need? No. Let's try and make another. green, but a little bit more blue. Yeah. Alright. And then this will be open for now. And I can paint my stuff here. Alright, let's save this. Let's go color palette. Okay, let's head back to Blender. So if I open the color palette now, there we go. Now I have my color palette. Easy to set up. Now we can actually start. Took me 30 minutes to make a color palette. What a record. For taking my longest time. Alright, so I think I'm going to start making a good old-fashioned what do you call it? Land, I guess I should say. Something like this. Maybe a bit more though. Also, I'm pressing shift size and then shift to size it only on the X and Y axis. If anybody's interested in knowing. Also, that's not working, so I'm gonna go back to the 6 sides. What happens if I add a subdivision and I remove these edges? Kind of helps. Let me see. What happens if I do both? When I remove this. Right. Then I will move random up and downs. Like that. Move a lot out. Maybe that's too much. Quickly add a color palette to these. Image texture, color palette. And now if I go into my shading, yeah, and go to my UV editor, select the color map, And I go to my thingy. Unwrap. Size all down to a dot. And then adding it to my colors. Doing the same here, but I already unwrapped it. And also applying this texture here. Now I can see how it would look. And I don't like this top, so I'm gonna make this a bit more smooth. It looks alright, I guess. Oh, that looks perfect. And you can also size it. Oh, that works perfectly. And then if you have a big one, like let's say this, you can just size this one a bit down. Perfect. And then if you want like a bump, also I'll fix this in a second. I can do this. I can then move all of your vertices to a darker color as such. Perfect. Now the question is, why is that happening? Oh, it's vertices messing each other up. Meaning I must maybe fix them all into a squarish shape. Well, not square, but you get the point. Alright. If I apply a subdivision, it looks bad. But what happens if I do the same exact technique here? Kind of hides that, and I don't want that to be hidden, so it won't work. Good to know. Now we have a base. Now we can start making a nice base looking thing. So I'm actually gonna make 2 scenes. Alright, pay attention you guys. This is how you make a nice organized place where you can have a place where you build props and a place where you build a scene. So if you go here and you'll see scenes and view layers, go to the scenes and you can press this to find if you already made some. But if you press this copy looking button called a new scene, you can press new, which will make an entire new saved file scene, or you can copy the same settings as the one you have currently, a link copy where they both edit at the same time, and a full copy if Alright, I'm back. So what I was saying is you can press new, copy settings, link, which will edit both, and then full copy, which does, I think, all of these but the link. Anyways, let's do full copy. Let's call this props. And the other one, let's call this the map. Now in map, I can edit whatever I want. In props, I already have my thing. So I'm gonna go here. And I'm gonna make a map. So on a big one, let's move this down. Okay, that's not working. It's the X that needs to move, isn't it? Also, I need to fix this. Let me do the prop as well. Alright. Then I'm gonna make another one over here. Bigger one. Wait, let me quickly see something. 1 second. I think I saved a dummy this time, which I can use for reference. That is, of course, if I remembered where I put it. I did. Let's go. That's OBJ though. I need to do this. OBJ. This is not where I want to be. Storage. Modeling. Dummy. Now I can get a good reference of where and what the sizes should be in Roblox when I'm playing. So I can just press the head, select this, go blow it down and size it, and now I have my map size. So this looks like a spawning area, but I'm gonna change it a bit. So let's move this. Oh, I didn't do that. Hello, Night Demon. Gotta keep remembering to select both. Alright. Wait, this is a bit broken. I think that's fine. I'm just gonna increase the size to this, I guess. This will be the main area where you spawn. Nice and big, so the water is... Let me add the water. Maybe this will help me. Right there. And I also want to move the water to be exactly on the x-axis. Like that. Shading. Alright. Oh, it's doing that again. Texture, viewport, blend, opaque. There we go, fixed. Okay. So now I want to quickly make some... Oh, this can maybe become thicker. I still very much love using this new period thing. So useful. Yeah, and I was thinking about that because you're not the only one that wants to support me. So I thought about it. So in the new Discord I'm making for Roblox, where I post models and stuff and whatever, there you can maybe donate a few Robux, but I'm not gonna do cash or anything like that in the future, unless I really want to. I understand that you guys want to support me in any way, but it's not really. I'm not doing this for anything. I'm just actually doing it so people know that I'm capable of making things for them. Okay, let's. I think I can just copy this maybe. Let me add another window here for my color palette. Add a bunch of these, make some of them a bit bigger than the other on the certain axes, and then a random rotation to each. If I go in my view, that's too big. Well, not big, more like high. Oh wow, that's much better. Like, why does that feel like it's small? Don't know. Looks small. Alright. Let's make some more props before I continue. I want to make like a log and trees and everything. Try and do some new styles too. So I think I'm going to take this to 8. 12. 12 seems fine. Yeah, let's go 12. Let's go on the y-axis. Size it up. Take this side and this side in. Bit in. And then take a random side and move it so it's not perfect. Same over here. Okay, I don't like the fact that it's not doing anything to this shading. That sucks, whatever. Let's texture paint this. Well, color palette paint. Oh yeah, this is the wood. Kind of looks what I want. Okay, I need to fix this. That's a bit too much. I think I'm gonna go like this. Checkered pattern rule. Yeah, and then edge loop. Dissolve. And then subdivision. Looks bad, never mind. Okay, let's go back to this. Otherwise, we just keep it in, yeah. Add some more variation in depth. And then let's also cut this to be like here, here, and then take these and size them up. Like that. Okay, that's kind of not doing well here. And then I can add a small one. So I'm going to cut this. I can add this bit small, actually bigger. This one's smaller and a little bit curved. Okay, that doesn't work. I need to make a new one then. Maybe I can edit something here. Maybe I can take all of these. So I want to show them. And I can then mark sharp. It's kind of what I want. And then I can maybe like actually, I kind of fixed it. Never mind. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go actually Control Shift, select edge loops, Control B. Yeah, that fixed it. Never mind. That fixed it. There we go. I'm gonna add another one of these down here. Okay, that looks better. Never mind. Let's go in here then. Actually, we can... I think I'm gonna make all of these low poly textures, and then after I make the map, I'm gonna go again and add a low poly texture to them. That means like taking a brush and adding a little bit of a swirl in here, some lines to indicate it's wood, and then for birch like a few dashes of black, and then grass, and it's just small stuff like that. So I'm gonna do this for now. Let's make a few variants of these. You don't really see that. Alright, let's put this in the rest. Copy them, bring them over. What is this? What? That was from last stream. What is that doing here? Also, let me remind, okay, not remind, more like tell you guys already. I'm getting a new mechanical keyboard tomorrow, and then I will also be live streaming to continue this. If you do hear the keyboard, that's just because I for some reason have blue switches, which are the loudest switches I think you can get. So my apologies. I didn't look before I bought. Maybe I should also actually, before I add these two, just add some more hills and stuff on this one island. Get something new out that I not always make. Also, these are turned around. This should be called map and this should be called props. What am I doing? I don't know. Hello, A-Blocks. How's it going? I'm gonna go something like this. Bit down and then sizing the X. Actually, yeah. And then take this one bit up. How many Robux can you make me a nice Roblox sword? I already have a few actually. Let me quickly just place this and I'll show you what I mean. I have a bunch already made that I haven't used on Roblox. And I wanted to, but I didn't for some reason. I will also maybe possibly post them in DN Tech group. I don't know. I'll see. We can go on Discord later about the swords. Okay, oh wait, what? Oh no, that doesn't look good. Why is it sizing in the wrong one? That's not a Y, my guy. It's broken. Okay, now you want to size on the wrong axis. Okay. Oh. Trying my best to be a developer. There's a lot of developers I see that overprice their stuff. That's why I mostly do my stuff for free. Like, I remember one of my friends one time had to buy, what was it? I don't remember. Something that cost them 7,000 Robux and was just insanely overpriced. Don't know why they bought it though. Oh yeah, it was, they wanted somebody to make them a script for a group ranker bot for like a cafe type game, those type of stuff. And the guy literally copy pasted something from YouTube Pastebin and wanted 7,000 Robux. That was just insane. And he managed to pull it off as well, which is even more surprising. I have no idea why some people for some reason have my message redacted. I am not touching the chat. But that's not me, that's YouTube. So I don't know how to undo it or whatever. So just try and maybe say it in a different way if you do want to try again. Well, that's sad. Good thing that Roblox is kind enough to give us a support page for this. Maybe, have you tried Roblox support and trying to get it back and stuff? Oh, refunded, nice. At least you got that back. What type of developer are you? Are you like a UI designer, a programmer, an animator, a builder, modeler? What type of job do you typically do for people or yourself or whoever you work for? Kind of interested in who watches me these days. I'm a scripter. Nice. I basically managed to learn myself everything I need, but I still suck at some stuff, like animating. I'm modeler in Blender and I don't know how to animate properly. That's the one thing that sucks about animating for me. People always call me out. I'm a modeler, but I can't animate. Let's move this to a darker color. I think I'm gonna lower this just a tiny bit because it's maybe too big. Something like that, yeah. Went. Alright, that looks like a nice looking lobby. I'm just gonna add some rocks. Some nice... I only have like 2 props already, so it's not much to work with. Still have to create all the other stuff. Why can't I copy these? Oh, there we go. What type of game is it? Is it like a simulator, a horror game, FPS game? What type of game is this that we're talking about? People that's listening as this in the background, I'm talking to somebody in chat. It's an adventure game. Ooh, nice. I don't think I've ever made an adventure game. So I would want to help, but it's kind of not really an option because I have I have ISOLs to work, and then when 2023 comes, I have to work at another cafe game and a airline game, and a lot of games want me to work with them, so I don't know, we'll see, maybe I have time. And then also DNTech and releasing some stuff for the public and then live streaming and all these things. Maybe I can make time, I don't know, we'll see. Place this one more. For how many years have you played Roblox? I've played Roblox, I guess, for 9 or 8 years. Probably 9. So I didn't know developing for like a year or something before I developed. And then 8 years of experience in developing on Roblox. Alright. Okay, that doesn't look even. Did I even this? Is it loading? No. Okay, that's good. So as I was saying, 8 years of experience in development on Roblox and probably 9 in playing. Well, I don't really play games, I'm more like always busy in Roblox. This thing isn't correctly leveled. Yeah, I'm also surprised how this ultimate admin panel. The original idea was to make an admin panel that would be so good, people would stop going to my DMs and asking me to make them an admin panel. Because that was the most asked thing in my DMs at that time. And now that I posted it and everybody's starting to find my YouTube channel, a lot of people really like this admin panel. And everybody's asking when is the Exploit Mayhem coming, and I never told anybody that it's cancelled. So I decided why not make a final one just to top it all off and name it Exploit Mayhem, but being something even better than HD and the other admin panel that people use combined. I might even ask the creators of HD and the other one for some hints and stuff on how to make something like theirs, but better. What do I want to make? A tree or a rock first? Let's go rock. Rocks are pretty easy and pretty fun to make. I actually don't want to use that. I want to use a cube. Also, for anybody watching, quick reminder, if you haven't already, go to my Discord. There is already posted a sneak peek of the new admin panel when it comes out. I will also be mass pinging everybody so you don't miss it. So I suggest going to the link in the description. I think it's the first link. You'll go to my Discord. There's sneak peeks of how the panel looks. In a few days I will also add a sneak peek of one of the home pages and how it functions. Yeah. Oh, this rock does not look good. Also, did I take the music up? Yes, I did. So I would add a bevel to each corner. 0.1. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Rock. Let's make a variant. Also, speaking about the admin panel and development and stuff, there will also be coming an anti-cheat system that I'll be making. And I'll try and make it also like the admin panel, one of the most advanced anti-cheats that you can find. So I'll add like webhooks and customizable too. And a lot of features I'm going to try and add so people can really customize. Because the one thing I realize most people want in their products and stuff, or expecting in your product, is customization. How much you can customize in a product. Also, the Discord is a bit broken, so I'm manually kind of removing people's guests. For some reason you can't see stuff every time somebody joins, because then you're like stuck in the verify page for some reason. I don't know why it just does it. Bloxlink doesn't remove people's what do you call it, guest role. So if it is bugged, just wait a bit. I'll come fix it whenever I'm online, which is like almost always. I don't like that. What's happening here? Oh yeah, I forgot. Can you make a tutorial how to make a Blender model? Is there a specific model that you want me to like showcase while showcasing how to use Blender and stuff? Because yes, I will be making tutorials, but most likely is next year, because I'm very busy on like releases and stuff this year. So next year is the year where my YouTube will go mostly full time. So this tutorial will most likely be next year, but it will definitely be there. Instead of a donut, like the one person almost everybody got checks, I think I'm gonna make a sword or chest or something not as big or small, something, maybe even a map. We'll see. What am I doing? I really wish I can live stream Roblox Studio stuff as well. I used to record videos for Roblox Studio, but my PC isn't really that. It's like blurry content, so I don't really think people like watching blurry content. So I don't really make them anymore, and I deleted most of them. It's like tutorials, how to make pizza and edible and stuff, how to make a keycard door, like normal tutorials you would find about stuff, but without a mic, because I didn't have a microphone at that time. So it took forever to edit, so I at some point just gave up editing and got lazy and stopped. Basically what happened. For the long-term people that are still subscribed for some weird reason, there you go, that's why it's removed. Hello, Alicia. By the way, Alicia is the owner of Isel's Cafe. Have I used this row? No, I haven't. RIP. It's also the darker one. Why didn't I use this before? Alright, let's add one more because I think I'm adding way too many. Actually, no, way too many is good. Why is it going in render mode? It's called Isel's Cafe. There's a link in the description for more info. We're doing an update very soon, December 3rd, Christmas update, also known as the overhaul update, because it basically redoes everything that was rushed. That looks good. Let's see, Eevee sucks. Never mind, I won't go ever back to Eevee. I think that's way too dark, in my opinion. Oh yeah, this needs to move. So I want to move this back here. Alright. The game does with girls unscathed, but there's also a training session and another. This is just a map. It's not actually gonna be a game. It's just a concept art of the new Isel's Cafe map for 2023 when I'm doing another overhaul update, because I'm deciding to add something new, something to catch the eye than the current one island, flat island, blocky island, whatever you want to call it, island. Oh, I should actually also make some ground variants. Why else did I add so many ground textures? What am I doing? Much better. Okay, that's weird actually. Yeah, that's just a weird one. Yeah, I'm very proud to release this Christmas update. The changelog is 7 or 8 pages long, and that's not including any bug fixes, which were also a lot. So I am very excited for this release, because it contains everything I always wanted to fix and change and everything. It's amazing. Maybe in the future we can partner up and make a big group together for this. I don't know, maybe we can make something big, like, I don't know, we'll see. Because I'm up for an adventure game. I haven't made one, and I really want to make one in the future. Might partner up soon. Okay, what else can I make? I want some more color in the grass. Like, maybe one of these can change. Perfect. That's exactly what I meant. What about these? Can these change? That looks awful. That looks not good. Let's go back then. Is my color settings on? I want a very high contrast. A high contrast. Filmic. That's the wrong thing. That's also the wrong thing. That's also wrong standard. Oh wow, that's saturated. Exposure does nothing. Gamma does nothing. So I guess I'm stuck with this, bro. Like I say, make it a Tycoon in this group, and then when my account go hacked, the Tycoon got hacked too. Yeah, that's the big thing that sucks about being hacked. All your games that you have worked so hard on, if the player knows how to go into Studio, that hacked you obviously, then not games at risk, and most likely you're gonna have to start over again. So I would suggest making multiple accounts and then attaching them, so if one of your accounts get hacked, you can quickly go on your alt and copy the game before that alt gets removed. That's how I used to get all my stuff back. Okay, let's add some more. Let's add some trees finally. Actually no, let's add a bush. Trees, actually yeah, let's, I don't know what to make. I'm so excited to make this. Let's make a tree, I guess. I think I'm gonna copy this, remove this, and then rotate this up. Size this up. Get the point that this is a tree. Perfect. And then we can remove all of this extra stuff, because we will not need them anymore. And then I can also do this. There we go. So this is gonna be a birch tree. I don't think I'm gonna make palm trees for this map anymore. Actually no, I'll make them, but only add them to like a beach. So I'm gonna go like we can have this, but then also have, let me flatten this bit. Then have this, for example, be, okay, imagine this is a little bit more, okay, that's actually perfect. That's the perfect color for that. Wow, I did an amazing job. For once. But imagine it's like a beach. Then I just put the palm trees here, for example. That's where I will put them then. Yeah. That's my idea anyways. Might change. Because I change ideas a lot. Alright, let's add some leaves. What am I going to use? I'm going to use a circle on an 8. Is that fine? Nah, let's go 12. 12, yes. Also, bring this back. That's not the center. Also, quick question to people that's watching. I might actually make this into a post. Yeah, no, let's just ask it in chat. I don't have that many viewers anyway. What do you prefer on this channel? Do you prefer modeling, texturing, texture painting, remodeling, or just the videos or just the shorts? What do you prefer? You can make it on Twitter. You mean what do you mean by I can make on Twitter? Hello, how you doing? So you guys like modeling, you don't like texturing, because I thought people really like texturing. Add a few cuts, get some nice leafy textures. Okay, that's too much. Alright, let's add a solidify, other axis, 0.05. There we go. Bit more maybe, 0.075. Too much. There we go. Bring this down a bit and color it to my favorite tree color for spruce related stuff. A nice green. Wait, is this trees? Yeah, it's trees. You can make a picture of the game on Blender and say, rate my artwork of the month. Oh, yeah, I do that actually, but I don't ask people to rate it. I just post it there and make it my model portfolio. You can go to my Twitter. I don't know, maybe you have already. But as you can see, I just render them, maybe add a bit of a text and filter in Photoshop just to give it more vibrance or something, and then post it on Twitter. Don't really ask people to rate it or anything, I'm just doing that. But I think I'm gonna do the rating system for, like you suggested, for this specific model, for the map, because I'm might actually use it in the future. What? Oh, this. Okay, let me remove this for now. Let's just add these bad boys. I also want to dissolve them. Including these. Wait, let me make this something more interesting by making it longer. And then this can be shorter, I guess. Yeah, it's currently open, but it's from the current state of rush. Now it's just a rushed version if you're playing the game. But the group, it's... I think it's working, I don't know. Haven't checked the group in a while. Okay, let's add some cuts to each brand. Actually, wait. I want to make some variants, so I'm gonna copy this a few times so I can make some variants of the same tree before I mess up. Yeah, the group is Isol's Cafe. Yeah, the group is Isol's Cafe. The game is Isol's Cafe. And the Roblox group is Isol's Cafe. Because I want to do not use the donation board. The Roblox will come through, but it won't state because it's broken. I would suggest waiting for the Christmas update if you want to actually use the donation board. But just keep in mind the Robux does not go to me, it goes to the owners. And they're gonna use it for advertising and stuff, which I'm perfectly fine with. I'm even gonna pay myself for advertisement of the hard work. I should increase the size actually. Perfect. Oh wow. Oh, another bug. Should have fixed the top over here. Ah, you done it. That's fine. We still get it, but it won't show. I'll manually go add it to the updated version. Don't worry. Thanks for the 10 Robux. You don't have to do it, but I appreciate it then, I guess, because you already did it, so I can't really tell you not to. We might actually have to open a few days early for bug testing. Now, we don't have bug testers yet. I might quickly, after this stream, find some bug testers. So if you're in the group already, or not, join it. We might quickly go find some bug testers to help with the Christmas update before we release it. But donation boards and shops will all be disabled because we do not want you to buy anything, because it's not going to be the official game, so you won't have it. And we won't keep track of who has what. Remove this. And I will also be starting a new series very soon where people can ask me for a asset pack for their maps or a bundle of weapons and stuff. I will make them on stream with your permission, obviously. And then I'll make a little series where I make people some nice asset packs, like example this, with this map where I make all the trees, hills, rocks, stuff, and then also maybe even build a map with them just to show that they're actually usable. So if I decide to do that, I will open in my DN Tech server, I'll open a section where you can submit a request for this, and then I'll do it. And obviously stream if you give me permission. Who's yours? In Isol's Cafe, is that the one you're talking about? About the scripter? Because if you are, I'm not kidding, I am the only developer in that. Okay, Posh is also, but he only helped with the map a little bit. But I basically did all the scripting, all the UI, all the animations, all those things, but the current version, state 1, is a rushed version, which I didn't really like, but it is what it is. But yeah, Bosch he just helped with the map, so there is credit for him. And the owner and vice president only helped like with outside, and maybe some opinions about in-game stuff and stuff, but basically I made everything, I scripted, if that's what you're asking. But the logo, for example, was actually made by the owner, which is actually somehow very talented at making GFX. Way better than I can ever become. Only one of those. Yeah, okay. In summary, I'm the only scripter there. I sometimes talk too much. Edge cuts. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Thank you. Have a great night, day, whatever time it is for you. Bye. Okay, good night, or bye, or whatever. I don't know why that just sounds weird when I say good night to a random stranger. Alright, one tree down. Well, it's standing, but point not taken. One tree finished, basically. Just have to add this. Solidify, add a offset. Oh, I just got another idea I can use on the tree. Solidify. Solidify. Okay, let's make this 0.075. Perfect. 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 And perfect. Alright, now I also want to add a little bit of a movement. So it looks like the tree is actually not just straight up perfect. Kind of something like that. Then also add all of these. Can I add a loop? I cannot add a loop cut. Never mind. I was gonna make it like thinner in the middle, but nope, not an option. Also, let's see. Can I add some variants? No, we cannot. I actually like that colorway better. Fits more. Okay, let's go to this top and add this. I quickly want to test something because I am not sure about this. This is a new update in Blender. I just want to quickly understand it really quickly before I make some stupid mistakes in the future. So if I press shade smooth, go here, normals, auto smooth, and I just press auto smooth, does that look the same? Yes, I've been using Blender 3.0 very wrong. I've been keep going like shade smooth and auto smooth, but apparently it could just go auto smooth. I'm an idiot. But that kind of makes it look bad actually. So I'm gonna go back. Alright, let's keep it like that. Join it all together. Copy, and let's place this tree down. Why does this tree look different now? It's like less happy looking. Kind of fix it by doing that. Didn't fix it like that. Also didn't fix it. I think the first one was actually way better. So I'm gonna go with it. Unless this one is better. Let me see. I need to increase this to be white. Actually no, I need this to be a environment. And HDRI, which why can I not go to my HDRIs? Oh, it moved, that's why. Let's go this one. Pure sky. So now if I, oh wait, that's gonna be cycle, so it's gonna crash the stream maybe. Let's see, does this, okay, actually I could just do this, I'm kind of stupid. Does this look good? No. Does this look good? Kinda. Does the first one look good? No-ish, kinda, yeah, no. Struggling. I think this one is the best. Yeah, let's keep it like this. What if I remove the... I can keep it. Nice. I want this. Perfect. Also, I haven't paid attention to my character rigging. I mean, character sizing and stuff. So, maybe a bit bigger than I wanted. That's actually perfectly sized. Wow, I did a good job. Bit bigger than the other trees. Get some variance. Because not all trees are the same. Well, on my opinion, may be different. Bit small tree. change this one because this one is close to somebody else right across. That looks good. Let's add another one somewhere. Where did this go? Right in the center. Why not? Hi Push. This is actually not this. Okay, this is good. This is Azel's Cafe's concept art of a new map that I'm making for it in 2023. It's like a nice low poly version that I'm trying to make, and I'm also making the props. It might take a while. Also, rotation should also be random. I have not rotated these as well, so let's do that. Much better. Maybe this one can also move a bit. And this one can maybe go more. Actually, the trees can maybe do a bit better. Nah, let's keep it like this, I guess. For now, anyways. I'll rotate it a bit more, give it more movement. Maybe that's too much. Okay, that tree now just looks like it was almost ready to die. Let's take this one. Alright, that looks good. That looks good. Alright, for now, let's leave it as this. Let's move these along. Okay, new tree. Birch. I want some birch trees. So I'm gonna summon this. Get the nice tree going. The trunk. Birch trees are a bit more thin, so I'm just gonna do that. And they're also colored white. Wait, this one. And then like black spots, but I'll add that later with texture paint. What is that? What am I doing? Much better. Not too much, just a tiny difference. Also, let's not go that way, let's keep going this way. What? Is that literally halfway cut? Oh, come on. Okay, that means I must mirror. Yay, that sucks. Clipping. I'm questioning why that's happening. Like, why? Whatever, let's just add some more branches. Maybe I can fix it by adding branches. Losing my words. Okay, why is this happening? Is it because of the mirror? If I take this away and I do this, there's literally no reason for you to do that. I am confused. Very much. No idea why this is happening. I didn't see that. Oh, now it fixed itself. Nice. Wait, how long have I been streaming? Oh, I've almost been streaming for 2 hours and I didn't realize. Yeah, I think I'm gonna, when I'm done with this birch tree and I placed it somewhere, I am then going to end the stream here. What if I just go smooth? Oh, I actually like that. I don't like that one though. I think I'm just gonna go. How does flat look? It could do better. It can maybe go like this. Checker deselect. And then this. And I can maybe do this. Kind of fixed it. think I can do the same here. Checker deselect, edge loop, dissolve, and then also take these edge loops and then apply a bevel like that. Oh, something went wrong here. Kind of did what I wanted. This is just broken currently though. What? This entire one is broken. Okay, there is a limit how far I can go. Alright, let's copy this, rebuild it slightly. Let's add another one over here. Alright, and put all of their origins to the 3D cursor and start rotating to a random location on the tree. Like this. Okay, maybe I can add another one over here. Relocate. Alright, let's make some nice leaves. I'm just gonna use the normal version. And I want this to be this color, exactly what I want. Also, I want another one of these. Rotate it a bit more down. And then up, moved. tree is actually not bad. That looks odd, so I'm not gonna do that entirely like I wanted. More squished in there. I think I'm gonna remove that one. Is it just me or does that look kind of weird? think that looks fine. And maybe even just for a little detail. I don't know, I thought that would look cool if there was something on there, but never mind. Let's go with this, I guess. Looks more like an alien, but whatever. Kind of fits, not really though. Let me think, what can I maybe do to make the trees look a little bit better? Colors are exactly what I want. So it's not that. I think that's maybe too dark. Yeah, I think these are too dark. That's probably why it feels a bit weird. And then these rocks as well, but it's basically the only rock I have, so I'm just gonna color over it. Why can't I paint? There you go. Right. Okay, maybe that's too bright. Why is there a million color palettes? Now I have to figure out which one I painted on, right? It's a bit darker. Perfect. Just quickly checking something. Oh yeah, I should add some grass to my stuff in the future. Well, I did most of the stuff already I wanted to do. Like grass, flowers, bushes is all I want, and then maybe a few more trees for this island. That's about it. What if I... Where's my texture shading here? What if I go... this, and then add its own Make this one bigger. More up to. Kind of fixes it in a way. Just want to add these again. Much better, I guess. I just need this. Unless I make these big on purpose. Just to steal the spotlight of the wood. Oh, that's much better. Okay, maybe they can just go out a bit more. Did that bring it back? I hope not. Okay, let's go with this. So it's only one part, right? Yeah. Alright, go back to map. Delete. Wait, let's quickly see the comparison of the new versus the old. New ones look way better, so I'm gonna use them. Alright. Much better. Look at that. Now I can see more things I can add. Like on this specific map, I can add like a torch over here or a lamppost. I can add some little sand, dirt spots around here. So much I can do now that I did that. Yeah, this is way better. Okay, let me save this file before I restart tomorrow. Where am I gonna save this? Let's see. file. Map renovation. Bam. Let's call this map. And props. Alright. Remember. Never mind, I already reverted. I didn't save the color palette correctly. Also, I should probably bring the color palette back. Anyways, I'll do that off stream because that's like 2 seconds to do. If you enjoy the stream, you can go to my Twitter to see some more models I've made. That's basically building up to be a portfolio at this point. Go to my Twitter or Discord if you want to see or do a commission. Go to my in the description there is a link to my Discord where you can get all my free models or systems and the new admin panel when I'm done making it. There is sneak peeks of the new panel if you would like to see. You can go, and the link is all down in the description. I am losing words. Down in the description there's a link to Isol's Cafe, which you can also get some more information about it. December 3rd is the update, big update. Hope you join us when it releases. And yeah, I guess that's all. Have a good day, evening, whatever. See ya. Goodbye. See ya.